Behind me are our tin bronze tubes in various specifications. Grades mainly include C51900, C52100, C51000, and C52400. Diameters range from 10 mm up to 420 mm, OD, wall thickness 1 mm to 50 mm. All materials come with original mill certificates and third-party inspection reports. We maintain complete batch traceability from ingot to finished tube. Whether you require several hundred kilograms or full container loads, delivery is prompt and consistent.